Hello, fellow vintage lovers. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am actually filming this video on Wednesday before Thanksgiving, but I decided to post it on Thanksgiving so I could make sure to say Happy Thanksgiving to every single one of you. I am very grateful for you guys, and thank you so much for all of your support with my channel. I'm almost to 500 subs, which is incredible, and I just want to thank all of you for every like, every comment, every share, because it really helps. And once I get the 500 subscribers, I will have a community tab where I'll be able to leave messages and, you know, keep you guys updated on sales and hauls and things like that. So it's going to be really, really convenient. So again, thanks everybody. Now these items, I have been so busy. If you attend my live sales, you probably noticed Gina and I, Vintage Digs, have had quite a few over the past 10 days. And this week we will end up having 4 total. Make sure that you stay tuned. Well, actually, I can just go ahead and announce it now. Gina and I are going to have a Black Friday sale on Friday afternoon. The exact time will probably be posted by the time this video is, but as of right now, I don't know, so I'm not going to say it in the video. But we are going to have a Black Friday sale. We're going to have some deals on some items, a mixture of everything. I think we're both going to have some Christmas as well as other items, so hope to see you guys there. It should be a lot of fun. And this video, this is just a haul, and I'm sorry that it's been a lot of hauls lately. I haven't really had time to go out and source, even to thrift stores or antique malls. I've just been so busy with everything going on that I haven't had time to source. So luckily, well, I don't have a shortage of inventory ever. I always have quite a bit, it seems like. But these were items that I had gotten last weekend and I hadn't had a chance to film a haul about. So these are all from estate sales. These are from 2 different estate sales, actually. And there probably will be another part to this because both of these estate sales had owl collectors that lived in them. So there are some owls that I did not include in this haul because I thought it might be fun to show you guys what I got for myself. Maybe show you what I might sell from all of the owls that I purchased. But then I thought it would be kind of cool to show you guys some of my favorite owls. You know, most of you know that I collect owls, and I would love to show you guys some that I've gotten, some as gifts, some that I've bought for myself. Some of them I've had for years, so I just thought that'd be a fun little video to do sometime soon. So these are all the non-owl related items except for him. I had to include him because I do not have one of these in my collection yet. He is the first one. This is Pilgrim Glass, and this is an owl. He's very mid-century looking. He is just amazing. He still has his sticker there. I love him. So I found him at the first owl estate sale I went to. He was in a cabinet with a bunch of other glass, and I was like, oh my God, is that a pilgrim owl? And it was. Isn't he a really pretty color? He's like this dark blue color that almost leads into black. He's just amazing. Love him. Beautiful. Okay, so without any further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. If you see something you're interested in, you can always reach out to me. I know I sound like a broken record, but I do want to mention that because sometimes, you know, you don't want to wait for a live sale and you see something you really want, so you can always send me a DM or an email and we'll work something out. Okay, so back here, I wanted to show you guys these 2 stuffed animals, and I do believe these are probably from the 60s. They're in really, really good shape. So this one is a squirrel, and they both have their tags on them. This one is from Minnesota. Now I can't remember the name of the company that made him, of course, because I'm filming. I knew it just a minute ago. Let's see here. I'm so sorry about my camera. Animal Fair Incorporated from Chanhassen, Minnesota. Chanhassen? I'm not sure what it is. I have never been to Minnesota, so I may have butchered that, and if I did, I apologize. But isn't the squirrel adorable? He is in excellent shape. He is so cute. There are a couple little like kind of age spots on him, but nothing really bad, to be honest with you. He's super, super cute, and I love him. Then next to him is another stuffed animal that I got at the same estate sale, and this is a bunny. And if nobody's interested in this guy, I will probably save him for an Easter sale. He is Bunny Cuddles. He's also made in the U.S. And he's just really cute. His whiskers are a little out of control, but that can easily be fixed. His ears are posable, which I thought was kind of cool. Super, super cute. And, you know, he's in great shape for being so old as well. I love this little guy. He's so cute. Okay. Then next to that is this beautiful Fenton vase. This is such a pretty color, guys, and I hope the light is picking up just how deep and beautiful this pink color is. It's almost like a, well, is it like a taupe color? I think it might be. I did a little bit of research on this, and this is called Fenton Feather Pattern, and this is a newer piece of Fenton, I do believe. Now, of course, I can't find the marking, but it is here on the bottom. It's not going to show it for me. But it is so, so beautiful. It's in excellent shape. I did not notice any damage on it at all. Beautiful, beautiful piece. And then next to that, I have these amazing nail art wall hangings. And there's a couple of nails missing here and there, but it's not very noticeable, to be honest with you. And of course, you could fix that if you wanted to, but they're just incredible. I love these so much. Really, really cool. And I probably will sell these as a set. So if you're interested in just one, I'm sorry, I think I need to sell them as a set. I think it makes them more desirable as a set. But aren't they awesome? They were hanging in the kitchen of one of the estate sales. So cool. I'm going to kind of zoom in here so you can see all the detail. It's amazing that someone could do that with nails. Just love it. Yeah, and as you can see here, there's like a couple of nails missing here and there. But really, guys, this is in great shape. Okay, then I picked up some books, and I think, well, no, these aren't all Whitman. I don't know why I thought they were all Whitman. Oh my goodness, so look at that pupper. This one is Mailman Mike, and this book is in excellent condition. It has some adorable pictures in it. Just look at the puppy. All three of these, I do believe, were owned by the same child at one point in time. This one is Three Little Bears, and this one is Whitman, that's right. So cute. I have had this book before. I've sold it before, so I know that it is collectible, and some people like it. I love the art in this one as well. Super, super cute. Look at them. They're just eating some porridge, hanging out. So cute. I'm going to stop because I don't want to bore you guys by showing you all the pictures, but it's so cute. And this one is in great shape as well. And then this one, oh my God, so this is so 60s. At least I think it's 60s. The day Joe went to the supermarket. Look at the illustrations in here. It's just freaking amazing. Yeah, 1963. Now, this one does have some condition issues, but it's mainly there at the front. It looks like everything is good after those first couple of pages. It's so cute. I'm going to have to read this one as well. Look at her. Oh, I just love this. I think it's absolutely adorable. Remember when going to the supermarket was fun? I don't think it's fun anymore at all. But when I was a kid, I definitely did. It was full of all sorts of wonders, you know, from candy to ice cream to cereal to everything a kid would want. Okay, so I did show you my beautiful pilgrim owl that will be part of my permanent collection. So sorry if anybody is wanting him. I will keep my eyes out for more, I promise. I also picked up this beautiful Homeco fairy lamp. This is one of the optic, I do believe this is called the Cubist pattern. Excellent shape, no damage on it whatsoever. Unfortunately, I don't have any colored lights right now, but they would look amazing in this, especially this time of year. And believe it or not, this is the first one of these I have found in the wild, so I was kind of stoked to find it. You know, these are larger, and oh my gosh, the light really does reflect on these, and they're really, really well made. Okay, then back here is some slag glass, which I know a lot of people are into right now. This is Fenton. I have not researched this one yet. It has these beautiful colors. It's got blue, white, and almost like a, it's kind of like a light purple to me, kind of like a mauve color, and then kind of a chocolate color at the same time. This one does have the Fenton mark here at the bottom, as you can see there. And I do believe this is just a little toothpick holder, but it's beautiful. I love it. It's just absolutely stunning. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. Okay. Then back here, I keep finding them, guys, and I keep buying them because I know there are some of you that, you know, might still be looking for a Bluebird of Happiness. So I'm going to keep buying them until I think everybody has one. This is a Ron Ray, and as you see here, it's $19.90. I always check the beaks to make sure there's no damage, and this guy does not have any damage. You can see there's some bubbling there. Just adorable. These are the larger ones. I wish I could find the yellow one, and oh my gosh, no, I really want the black one. Hopefully one day I will find them. Okay, I got, you know, I don't always get clear glass, but if it's something really cool like this mid-century cat, I will. Look at the eyes. So the eyes are really similar to the owl, which I found interesting. They were not from the same estate sale. This one is not Pilgrim glass. This is out of San Francisco. Great City Crafters. It looks like it was imported from Taiwan, which, you know, definitely shows the age of this. But it's so, so cute. There it is against the, or with the Bluebird. Then there were two little baby kittens that came with it. I don't know if they were originally sold together or not. Haven't researched this yet either. Oh my goodness. Please focus, little cat. Well, he may not focus. Anyway, it's basically a teeny tiny version of the big cat here. As you can see, there's quite a size comparison. So, so cute. Then I got this because if I see Treasure Craft and it's cool, I'm going to pick it up. This is a Grand Canyon. How cool is this, guys? I love this lava effect there. And I can't remember if this has a year. I don't think it does. But Treasure Craft here, made in the USA from the Grand Canyon. I really like this color. I think this is a really neat pick. Okay, so then I got this, and I can't remember if this is Fenton either. I know it's not marked anywhere. It could be Westmoreland or, you know, any of the other companies that did milk glass. But this is a diamond point top hat toothpick holder. This is kind of the medium size of those. Excellent shape, no damage. So I went ahead and grabbed that. Then I got this kind of like a smoky black jar. I have gotten these before, and now I can't remember who makes this, but I know a lot of you do collect black glass and kind of like the smokier glass like this. It looks like it might be picking up a little bit green, but it is definitely, you know, black, a very smoky black. So this is absolutely beautiful. Love it. Of course, it's perfect for Halloween, but I think it's perfect for any time of year. It's just really cool, and the top is really neat. I just love this. Very, very pretty piece, and the light does reflect off of this quite a bit, too. Okay, and then the last thing I got is so, so sweet. So this was hanging up in one of the kitchens, I do believe. And this is to Mother. Sweet is a song which the robins sing. Sweet is the perfume of flowers in spring. Whatever is lovely and precious and fine, I'm wishing for you, dearest mother of mine. How cute is this? And how cute are these birds? I had to get this. It's got this little, you know, the metal corners there as the frame. It does not have a year on it that I'm aware of, but how cute is this? This definitely has some age to it. Absolutely love it. I'm trying to remember. No, there's nothing written on the back. But I love this, guys. Look at the string that used to hang this. Oh my gosh. So, so cool. I always pick up things like this. I'm a sucker for ephemera and sweet sentiments like this. So I was really happy to pick that up. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope to see you guys at our sale on Friday. Again, the Black Friday sale. Hope everyone has had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.